you guys? Welcome or welcome back to the channel. It's me, your girl Des. We back. We fucking back. In today's video, there's gonna be a very educational video for you guys. I'm finally, doing a makeup tutorial. This time I will be listing the exposed. Oh my god, I just don't like the layers in my hair, bro. Like, this hairstyle would have been so cute, but it's just okay. Anyways, it's not about my hair right now. Yeah, I will finally be doing a makeup tutorial showing you guys like kind of like beginner friendly type shit, or how do I say it, like just like how to beat your face, bruh. And to be honest, it's not a lot of shit like as I like make it seem. Like when bitches say beat your face, they, I'm thinking the extreme, like doing the most, like baking like 7 times throughout the whole shit. But no, it's actually very I think it's very easy. Yes, everybody get fucking ready, put your shit back, it's time to do this. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna low-key do is put primer. If you guys are OGs and you guys seen like my other videos, I use this shit. This is a forever favorite. Oh shit. All the makeup products. Okay, so what the fuck was I saying? I have no fucking idea, to be honest with you. And after this is like getting tacky, this is where you do your eyebrows. Now I'm gonna give like the most simplest fucking tutorial ever for you guys. So you're gonna need 2 types of brushes. And yes, I'm being very specific with the brushes. For your eyebrows, you're gonna want like an angle brush like this. Please get one with a spoolie at the end. Trust me. It's a little crusty because she a beauty, but oh yeah, I burned myself, guys. Never cooking again. What the fuck was I saying? So when it comes to like your, oh shit, I didn't even name like the second one. The second one is gonna be to conceal your eyebrows. It's gonna be this angled brush. Like I was saying though, before you like even start putting on like anything on your face, you just wanna like get like a little wipey. It doesn't even have to be like a makeup wipe. It can be like a baby wipe. That's what that shit is, and it's rose scented, so it's really good. So these are what my eyebrows look like. Nothing too special. So the pomade that I use is all fucked up still, and it's in mocha. It's the Morphe one in mocha. So fucking good. The only problem is, it's fucking crusty for me. So I have to like fuck. I shouldn't have done that for real. Now it's gonna be on my fucking spoolie. You know what? Boom, I just did my fucking eyebrows. Like 2 seconds. Didn't I tell y'all? I don't even think that. Okay. And so what I do right here, let me zoom the fucking, come here, come closer. There's gonna be like this long ass hair, and you're basically gonna follow that shit all the way up to your arch. Like, don't add anything extra, just literally follow like the hairs that you have. So once you get there, you kind of want to like curve it down already. And then right here underneath, whatever's like left, low key, like just like kind of like line up the bottom and color it. Oh my god. Color your fucking eyebrow. Color your fucking eyebrow. Like whatever's left. So we're just gonna do the same shit for the other one. And then whatever looks harsh, that's when you can like brush it. To conceal, I'm gonna be using these two, which is the Too Faced one. Did I say everything was gonna be listed down below? Anyways, it will be in the video too. Yes. Using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and then this Maybelline concealer, the Super Stay one. Obviously 2 different tones, but I feel like that's kind of like the tones I have in my face. So yeah, I have to be mixing shit. This shit is crazy. Like, why can't I just be like one foundation? Like, it's about to get real messy. Usually put that, and then like a little bit of this. I don't know if that made a difference, but we mix that hoe. Okay, so come closer again. So right here for the concealing part, you're literally just gonna want to underlay your eyebrow. You don't want to like, do anything extra to it. So you want to start like right here, and you want to drag. If you feel like you have too much product, I literally like put it like on my forehead, like to like wipe it off. So you're gonna keep going, right? You're gonna create like a line, whatever like shit you're happy with. Bam. Okay. Once you feel like it's perfect, don't fucking touch it, because I feel like if you touch it, you're gonna fuck it up. So then right here, that's where we're gonna kind of bring it up and follow it, and drag that bitch down. Drag that hoe. Drag that hoe like there's no tomorrow. You always want to start like with an example brow, like perfect one eyebrow first and then try to mimic it on the other side. You're gonna start at the arch and you're just gonna drag that shit down. Drag this shit. So then you'll meet back at the arch, but this time you're dragging your shit all the way to the front, but at the same time you're dragging it down. So you like the width of your eyebrow. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing for the other brow. You're gonna want to follow the same lines that you have right here in the middle, and you want to mimic the fuck out of the other eyebrow. Right here. Oh shit, I forgot to mention this brush. So to blend your concealer, you're gonna want like a little flat brush just like this. Dude, honestly, these brushes, I think it's like an eye set at Ulta. It's like a Morphe one. Dude, those brushes are really fucking good, so I do recommend getting those. Just blending this shit now, obviously. Like that shit's already blended. I'm like, okay guys, so we're blending. Okay, so once it gets here, you want to like basically blend the lines together like this. And then with your foundation brush, you want to like kind of like rub the middle. Like basically just brush it up so you could give it kind of like a normal effect. Normal, natural. Okay, that's enough. On my forehead, actually, let me just blend that shit. I'm gonna basically put the same color combination of shit only where I need it. So obviously my forehead was like a good place for it. Okay. I feel like wherever you can still see through like the makeup, you know, that's where you want to like kind of like double conceal. Oh shit. Stupid fucking thing. So for my foundation brush, it's this Morphe brush 2. Dude, it's really good. Morphe is just really good. Where the fuck did that come from? Ladies, don't forget to blend down your neck. I was gonna say I'm Batman. I should just shut the fuck up, yeah? This is the worst tutorial ever. I look like Michael fucking Jackson. Tutorial. Whoops. Well, we're gonna fix that right now because holy shit, I look scary. That's even worse. So for contour, honestly, I fuck with the Morphe palette. Like these shades. If you don't want a whole palette, this Hula Benefit one is really good. No Techniques brush. It's like angled like this. Just like these two right here. Now, bitch, when you blend, you want to make sure you kind of like tap it and like blend it up to your hairline. Just because, you know, bitch, you do not want it looking like a fucking mask where like it just cuts like, you know. Oh yeah, and this shit. What is this? Is that your hairline too? Yeah. And if you're a lazy bitch like me and don't want to do eyeshadow, bam, there's your fucking nude look right there. And then right here, so basically when you contour, you kind of want to do it under like this space right here. So not too low and then not on your highlight bone. Just like right fucking there. And you want to keep it like that length and drag it up. So the same thing right here in the middle. And drag it up. And that's when you can like buff it, like especially under your highlight. Oh, last but not least, your jawline. But with your jawline, you want to go really light and drag it down because you can like tell sometimes, and it's just not okay. One last thing, with like a fluffy brush like this, you're gonna want to put some here. So it could give you like that pout effect, and then right here, underneath your chin and your lip. Yes. Then for your nose, check this shit out. I forgot I have makeup on. You're gonna want to do this. You're gonna wanna, you know, underline here. Right on top, like where the tip of your nose is, you wanna draw a line. But when you draw a line, you wanna drag it a little bit up. So you're gonna like drag it up. Okay, you're gonna start from the beginning of your eyebrow and then curve it down and connect it to that line. So then you wanna do the same shit. And if it's a little difficult, literally what I like doing, I like looking to the side and like kind of like doing it like that instead of just like fucking freeballing it. Like, so when it's like this, you guys use your fucking finger. If you have nails, it's a little difficult, but good thing this one came off just in time for the video, because what the fuck. I just feel like, I don't know, it kind of blends a little better than the brush. I've noticed, like, it's actually pretty crazy. Right here is gonna be the baking part. Y'all, I love this fucking shit right here. It's really good and it's not that expensive. So this is what we finna do. So I do recommend, who the fuck? Someone just fucking called me and I forgot what the fuck I was saying. I do recommend getting one of these triangle, you know, little poofy thingies. And, you know, you're gonna get some of the powder. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna wipe off the axis. Axes? I don't fucking know. Wherever you just contoured, you basically wanna highlight it. But you're gonna pat this shit in your skin. Fuck with these because they like get like right in the corner right here. And that's where you want the powder. And then you would just wanna like pat it down. You will notice, let me know if you notice something, for real. And I fuck with this powder a lot because it does not give flashbacks, and especially the way that that we're applying this shit right now. Like with other powders, this shit would give hella flashbacks. So we're gonna do the same thing, and then we're just gonna highlight wherever else we need it. We are Gucci. Now here's the how did I forget this? What the fuck? For the best part, the fucking blush. This shit is chef's bitch ass kiss. We're gonna put this shit right here where your cheekbone is at and up. Same thing with the other side. Up. No, oh shit, did I say what kind of brush this is? Oh, this is the e.l.f. brush. My brushes are all over the place, but hey, whatever gets the job done, bitch. What you're gonna do, you're gonna squeeze it so it's gonna be like this. You're gonna wanna get the same motherfucking shit, and you're gonna wanna brush it under your nose and on top where your tip is at. I forgot there was a mirror. And then kind of like the sides. This is where I go ahead and do highlight and then my eyelashes and shit like that. So for my highlight, it's gonna be the Stella one. Dude, I honestly don't know what the fuck it's called. I've literally tried to look for this shit online, but I got it at TJ Maxx. Like kind of like in the discount section. So I don't really know. But you know, it is the Stella highlight. So right here, we're gonna put it right here, and right here, right here. And for the nose, this is the best part. So right on top where the light shines on the tip of your nose, that's where you're gonna want to put it. Then right here for the line, you just want to stay in the middle. Don't drag it too up or too down, like that. I like doing this where like I like putting the rest on my chin and the middle of my forehead because those are my highlights. Now with the little fluffier brush, this is a BH Cosmetics brush. I know my shit. Right here, you're gonna put this right fucking there where you glow. For my lashes, I will be using Clawlina's lashes. Where the fuck is the box? So for your lashes, you are gonna need glue, which I do fuck with the Kiss glue. There is another brand called like the Super Hold. It's like a beauty supply brand. That shit is fire too. Don't use Duo. Duo fucking sucks balls. Monkey balls. So yeah, you're gonna need mascara, anyone, and then an eyelash curler. This shit is be lit. I usually put my eyelashes underneath my eye, but for the sake of this video and like, you know, for my beginner babies, we are gonna put it on top. This is how you make them stay like for a bitch ass minute. Wipe off the excess, and you are gonna put it on as eyeliner. Now, if you guys don't know how to put on eyeliner, just like me, you literally just want to follow the line of your eye. Like, not, it doesn't matter if it gets on your lashes, but not too on your lashes, you know? And then you're gonna like swoop it out. I usually fuck with the white glue just because like you can kind of tell when it's already drying versus like the black one. It kind of, you can tell too, but you know, I don't want to talk about it. So while this is getting tacky, you're just gonna put on some mascara. Oh fuck, yeah. And I just like coating everything. Not too much though, because like we're already putting on like, you know, fake ass eyelashes. Like, come on. I usually go with like 1, 2, 3. Whatever leaves me with 3, I'm just like, fuck it. There's like some fucking bullshit under my eye. So when you put it on like this, right, you're gonna want this shit to get stuck like right in the like beginning, and then drag it all the way to the end. But at the same time, you kind of want to push towards your lashes so it could be like as close as possible, so they could blend, you know. This is when you use your eyelash curler so you can kind of like even them out. I'll curl one like hella close, like where my eyelashes are, and then I'll go like a little bit down and curl them again like there. Right here, we basically have like this clear like line, and that's basically what you're gonna outline with any liner that you have. Oh shit, bruh. Where's my sharpener? Ain't no way. Fuck my life, right? Oh shit, I have another one. This shit not even sharpened. Okay. I never opened this shit. I wonder why. Is today the day? It's a special day. What is this? Oh, it's the one in Sandstorm. This one's a really good one too. Fuck it, we're just gonna use this one. It's the NYX Professional one in Sandstorm. And we're just gonna follow that line. Oh, this shit hurts. I like to fill in the middle and then right there connect it to the end of this side. So once that's Gucci, that's when you're gonna do the same thing for the bottom. And then kind of color it in. Here's this lip gloss. It's so good. It's so good I don't want to open. And you just need a little bit. And this shit smell good, girl. Period. Take these shits out. Find it. Ah, shit. I think we're fucking done. So let me take off the robe for you guys. Hell yeah. Yeah, this is the long-awaited makeup tutorial. I finally did it. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys liked this video as much as I did, of course. Subscribe to all that good shit. Check my fucking description. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, I love you guys.